Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Newsbrowse News broadcast. Global News reports that Health Canada has issued a warning to consumers regarding infant self-feeding devices, citing significant choking and aspiration hazards. These devices allow infants to hold bottles and feed before they develop the necessary muscles for independent feeding, or they are positioned in a way that makes it difficult for infants to stop feeding. This can lead to illness or even death from aspirating feeding liquids. Canada has banned these products under the Canada Consumer Product Safety Act. Amazon reported selling 545 units of the affected products in Canada before they were removed from the platform. Health Canada advises consumers to immediately stop using these products and dispose of them in a way that prevents future use. Fortunately, no injuries related to these products have been reported to date. CTV News reports that British Columbia's top doctor, Dr. Bonnie Henry, is scheduled to provide a live update on Monday regarding 4 Canadian passengers who were aboard the MV Hondius cruise ship. The vessel was linked to a deadly Hantavirus outbreak, which has resulted in 3 deaths and 5 confirmed cases among passengers. These 4 asymptomatic Canadians were among 130 individuals on the ship and were expected to arrive in Victoria on Sunday to continue their quarantine. Their transportation was facilitated by a flight chartered by the Public Health Agency of Canada and Global Affairs Canada, with assistance from the Canadian Armed Forces. A FH officer was on board to ensure strict public health measures, including masking and physical distancing, were maintained. The passengers had been adhering to rigorous isolation protocols on the MV Hondius since early May, following the World Health Organization's declaration of the outbreak. The CEO of Canada's largest cinema chain, Cineplex Inc., Ellis Jacob, has expressed approval for the trend of longer exclusive theatrical windows for new film releases. According to the Canadian press, Jacob specifically applauded Netflix's commitment to a 49-day exclusive theatrical run for its upcoming Narnia film in 2027, alongside other major studios extending their windows to at least 45 days. He believes this reduces confusion for moviegoers and generates greater value across all ancillary platforms. His remarks followed Cineplex's first quarter financial report, which showed a loss of $22.4 million, an improvement from the $36.6 million loss in the same period last year. Revenue for the quarter rose by 16% to $291 million. However, the company's stock dropped by nearly 10% after the announcement, while box office and food service revenues saw an increase, boosted by films like Project Hail Mary and higher per-patron spending. Advertising revenue declined by almost 19%, partly attributed to the Winter Olympics and reduced pharmaceutical marketing. Cineplex also reported an increase in attendance to 9.8 million patrons. Regarding recent Bloomberg reports of potential sale talks, Jacob downplayed the speculation, stating that while they would consider valid opportunities benefiting shareholders, the company's Q1 momentum places them in a strong position for future growth. The popular Québécois French version of The Simpsons has been saved thanks to a new deal between Bell Media and Disney Entertainment. Season 36 of Les Simpsons, which is known for its unique local adaptations including Quebec, place names, politicians, current events, and expressions, is set to air on Bell Media's Noovo television channel and stream on Crave this fall. This agreement comes after fan outrage last year when Bell competitor Corus Entertainment chose not to renew its broadcast rights, leading to concerns that Francophone viewers would only have access to European French versions. An online petition to preserve the distinct Québécois dub had garnered thousands of signatures. The Québécois seasons typically run 1 year behind the American version, which is currently in its 37th season. Earlier seasons, 1 to 35, of the Québécois dub are available for streaming on Disney+. This report comes from the Canadian press. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.